Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, if I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, guys, today we're gonna be talking about US30 and NAS100 and German 30 as well. Remember that time we talked about gold? Yeah. So, guys, I really appreciate your support, guys. I can see you guys coming through, subscribing, and also sharing the YouTube, and you guys appreciating me on your review via Instagram, telling me how is the strategy working on you. Understand the main purpose of these videos, guys, is to help you guys make it. Understand, like I always tell you guys, the broker that I'm using, it's actually Scope Markets. All you can do, guys, jumping in the link below, check it out, check how it is, guys. I don't have much ways to say. You are the ones that are gonna tell if it's the best or not. But the link, it's on the description. Get there, click the link, register on it, check on it. You understand? Especially on gold, like I told you in the previous video, that trading gold that side is like it's like you're making a lot of back trading it. So the link is on the description, guys. Just click on the link. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure just go there and make money. There's no other plug that I can give you rather than one. Let's jump into the chart and see what we have. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so guys, as much as you can see here, we are on Us30. So I'm gonna jumping on US30. Yeah, there's US30 there. You can see that I actually like removed everything. I don't know when was that. But yeah, actually I'm busy trading USDT, so I don't like looking at the chat when I'm trading. But because I have to actually teach you guys now, we will have to have no choice rather than to go to the chat. You understand? So like I always say, the market have to come back and retest here, but the market can actually create places whereby it will retest at. And here I can see that the market might want to retest at this certain position here. You understand? So it has a higher probability of it retesting here. And this is just like a 90% rule of whatever trend line you could have created there. So you're going to create places whereby when the market touches, the market reverses. So these are the places. These are the places. So you're going to actually aim on your peaks and weeks so that those places are actually telling you that we once rejected a certain position. So actually it means they're actually strong. You understand? So these are actually the places there. And these are the places. So we're going to push to the daily time frame. So I'm going to try to be as quick as possible. So you can see here the market rejected like powerfully. You understand? To show this zone was so powerful. If you could have got that entry point there, you could have had like one of the best entries in the market so far. So we're gonna push to H4 and see what is it that we see here. So here we can see that there's a little bit of a resistance. You understand? So passing this resistance and going above it, it will create a higher impact of saying buying opportunities will be strong. So it will be more important for us to do to wait for the market to break the higher points. Understand? So I'm going to create a trend line here just to create you a downtrend so you can see how the market been moving. Once you see downtrends and whatever, you tend to understand the market and the direction because, like I always say, the major trend line gives me the whole direction of the market. You understand? So you can see here, we do have a rejection. We do have a rejection there, and we can see the market rejecting on the resistance. So obviously, it can reverse. The higher probability of reversing at a certain point. So others could be aiming for selling opportunities there, but I feel like selling opportunities are not safe due to that. The market here, I think it has a higher probabilities of passing this point here. So what I can do here is just to create a small trend line. Small trend line. A small trend line. A small trend line here. So you can see here, I feel like the market can push to the top side. 30 minutes. Let's go, let's go. So here, guys, I feel like here it's just the proper manipulation. For me, the market gotta push to the top side. Gotta push to the top side. So watch out of this position, guys. It shouldn't take you out because if it take you out, yo, man, you lose a lot of cash. I think there's the position that we can target at first. We're on a bullish momentum, unless if the market wants to create a double bottom and something that we can never talk about it before it creates it. Understand? So for me, it's nothing I can talk about now. So here we believe the market can just start rising here. You can see the new candlestick, the market just did what, just decided to wanna rise. Let's actually put our take profit here. Quick one, nice one. Yeah. So yeah, guys, you can see there is our take profit. You understand? It's beautiful, you know. It's beautiful. So let's push to NAS100 and see what do we see on NAS100 quick. It's very important to check that. You can see even Nasdaq, it has the same structure. It's very important for us to remove everything and check what is it that, it's one of the most important thing in the trading industry to remove everything when you analyze, especially when you are reanalyzing because, once you have everything on the chart, it can confuse you, because you already have a certain direction things to take, you understand? So me, I prefer removing everything because I feel like you just have to always start again, you know. So I'm going to create this place. Yeah, there I was just showing you guys that there was a trend line that was supposed to create a 90% rule, and I can feel like it already created. And there's a zone at the certain places whereby we're saying we have a high chance of taking buying over. There's zones there, and zones have to do their own thing, you understand, to make the market reverse. So sometimes it's based on experience, man, knowing very well that this power that is coming from the market, it's so strong, it could break bonds, so here, guys, you'll enter buys once we break this resistance there. I like buys, guys. Buys are one of my favorite things. So, I'll wait and, I'm so patient enough to wait for a buy to actually, okay. So we're gonna enter buys at this top side here. Entering here is risky, but sometimes it's something that it needs high experienced trader to understand an entry point here. You understand? So others could create like a support here and just be patient with it, and then just simple, take a simple buy there, you know. But I don't like taking a buy below a resistance, after touching it because it actually showed that the resistance is actually strong. So probabilities of the market to reverse there was probably high. So as much as you can see here, put our stop loss there and see what is it that is gonna happen. Let's go, guys. We never stop. We never stop. So you can see here, yeah, still running losses, but we going to wait because basically it's going to be here straight. You know what I'm saying? So here straight. Let's go to German 30. So this is our German 30. You can see German 30 beautiful. Everything is like it's just like beautiful. I feel like the market will just go accordingly. Understand? So I'll start from H4 because from the weekly time frame I started from the other chart. Understand? So always, you gotta start from a weekly time frame. Understand? So here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create this support, beautiful support. It's a beautiful one. That other things we shouldn't forget, guys, especially beautiful supports, and then we're gonna just take a trend line from this low here. Other people could even take it here, which is like also fine because we already come back around inside a trend line. Let me create places where the market touches, the market reverses. These are the places. This is the other place here. This is the other place. This is the other place. I'm gonna create as many as possible here. German data, I like the fact that it has a lot, in a smaller time frame like H4. H4 is a big time frame, but I start from weeklies and whatever, so it can be small for me. Yo, even monthly, I can even go to 2 months. Yo, damn, that's so dope. You understand? So let's push to 60 minutes time frame and see what does 60 minutes time frame have for us. So it's crazy for us to enter buys here, but we can wait for the market to come back here and us entering buys because I feel like this was just a simple CMD here. The market broke in the below. So now it has to do what? It has to distribute to the top side. Understand? So that's something so beautiful. I think it's going to happen. Guys, the market is so nice. So you gotta come back. You gotta come back so you can make this thing so nice. Yeah. Understand? It has to come back, guys. I hate like selling when the market is buying. Like, what the hell? This nigga already bought, man. So we will wait for him to do like a simple task, move, and then come back here. Then we push to the top side. Easy. You see how easy it is. So, guys, at the end of the day, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate your time, guys, and your patience. You've been patient with me for like 2 years, guys. Now we're getting it. We're making the bag, and guys, I never really flex on you also. It's all about making money. Take it as if I don't own anything, as like I'm starting like with you guys. We are going forward. We are going to make money. On the next video, we might go too much on risk management, on whatever. So guys, you guys can get educated. As much as you know, I'm a margin call trader, doesn't mean that I don't know risk management. That's a theory that you gotta know. I don't want you guys to be mind washed saying I wanna be like Ninja and whatever. No, it's not like that. Risk management, that's where you start. You learn how to do proper risk management, you're gonna be knowing how to do proper high risk. Understand? You see the market is already going up there. Man, like this thing, guys, it's something that is so unique. You see, check. You see, now if you could have had this entry point, you could be nice. But at the end of the day, guys, let me not flex with you. Let's just wait for the market and see what's gonna happen. I love you all. Thank you, guys.